All right, guys, Slow Guy Rico back with another video. But right now, as you can hear it, you can barely hear it, but that's stock, guys. It's stock exhaust. There's nothing done to it or anything like that. So we'll see, you know, what the difference ends up being. Stay tuned. All right, guys, this is gonna be a cold start. Next up, we're going to be doing a startup in quiet mode to see the difference between normal and quiet. Whack. Whack.
What the hell is even that?
Magic.
All right, guys, I finally got some time to film the outro for the video. So overall, the car, while it was stock exhaust and everything else, very quiet. It had a few pops here and there, nothing too crazy. But I will say that Ford Performance exhaust is unmatched. Like, for a stock car, the car sounds phenomenal. But we have done a few mods since that day. And I'll be bringing you guys a video, you know, with more information on that. And you guys can hear the new sound and everything else. But until then, again, for everyone who stuck by me, I appreciate it. We have more to come for the Mustang. We have more to come for the channel. And I just hope you guys stay, you know, sticking around. And I'll catch you in the next video.